Welcome to another amazing episode of Living in Tahoe. I'm your host, Tahoe Tony, and beautiful Lake Tahoe is in the background. Isn't it fantastic? A beautiful day. It's springtime. It's 60 degrees. We've got a slight breeze. It's gorgeous. Beautiful weather in Lake Tahoe. And why am I standing right here with lake background? Because I've got a very special property to show you today. I've shown you some beautiful properties. 14.5 million, that 14.5 million house over in Incline Village up on top of the hill was spectacular. I would love to live there, but I do well in real estate, but I don't do well enough that I can buy a $14.5 million house. So every now and then I like to show a house that's very affordable, and this is what we have today. We have a very affordable house, Stateline, Nevada. We're up on the top of Kingsbury Grade. Heavenly Ski Resort is right there. You can literally ski right down to the lift if you like. Beautiful views of Lake Tahoe in the background. And get this property is priced at $520,000. That's right, not $1,520,000, simply $520,000. It's 840 square feet. It's 2 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and you're gonna love it because it is in the affordability range for so many people. So let's go check it out. So here we are. This is what the building looks like facing south. There's about 26 units in this building. The unit we're gonna look at today is right in the middle there. Some beautiful views of Lake Tahoe. I love it. It's not too high up, not down low, because you don't have views down low. And it's great, very easy access to get out here. This great place to watch the sun go down and just admire Lake Tahoe. I'm staring at Heavenly Ski Resort, one of the most famous ski resorts in all of the world. It's gorgeous. It's literally right there. I love it. Going up to Tahoe Village, there's actually a swimming pool, so you have access to a swimming pool and a jacuzzi, like sauna type place when you're a member of this community. So some great benefits, amenities here, other than just being on the top of the world here, overlooking Lake Tahoe. So let's go check out the unit. So as you can see, there's beautiful Lake Tahoe, and here's our unit right here. So you come on in, and it's fabulous, right? Beautifully refurbished unit. I love it. Simple, clean. It takes about 15 minutes to clean the whole place. That's what the seller likes about this. Seller's a friend of mine, his name's Jim. He loves living in Tahoe so much, he wants to get a bigger house with a garage and everything. So he bought this, not knowing if he wanted to be here full time, and now he does, so he's gonna upgrade to a house. So you get the opportunity to get this great little place that he fixed up and made beautiful. So you come right in, we've got this great room, beautiful rock fireplace, and this is a gas fireplace. So all you need to do, turn on the switch, you get a beautiful little fireplace, beautiful handmade mantle up here. I love that. And then the accent lights on the art. Jim likes the Western art, which is why Tahoe Tony's dressed like this. And another thing, I don't know if you can notice, but I'm not wearing eyeshadow. I have a horse ranch, and I was trimming horses the other day, and one of them, the younger guy, just kind of raised his knee up and just glanced my eye a little bit. So now I have a little bit of a black eye, and that was 5 days ago. So horses are very powerful animals. But let's get beyond Tahoe Tony here and let's get into this place. So it's cute, adorable, beautiful lake views. You've got a little dining room here with a simple chandelier, and then you come right into the kitchen. We've got newer appliances, stainless steel with some cherry cabinets, and there's a beautiful slate floor here, which is nice. I like that. And then beautiful hardwood floors throughout the house. Everything you need. We've got a dishwasher here. We've got your wine rack area, 2 double sinks with the disposal, everything you need to be comfortable, and a pretty decent amount of counter space for an 840 square foot condo. So they made very smart use of the space here. I really like it. So this is the second bedroom. It's very cute and quaint. I've seen some people use this as an office with a pull-out bed, so that works very well for them. I like that look. Jim just uses it as a spare bedroom, so when his kids or friends come to visit, they've got a place to lay their heads, and it has this really fun little door here. So if you want more privacy, there you go. But if you want to open up and allow more light to make it feel like it's a bigger space, you have that option as well. So very nicely done. So here we are, just off the spare bedroom is a full bath, which is really great because if you've got someone staying here, you both have your own bathroom, which is great. Full bath, the washer and dryer in there as well, and it's just set up, everything is close and convenient. So, and then we walk in here to the master bedroom, and it's a good sized master bedroom. We've got a deck out here that looks into this other building, which they just fixed up. It was pretty run down before, and they're fixing it up so it looks much better than it did. You've got a king size bed, mirrored closets, ceiling fans. There is forced air heat in this place, so it stays nice and cozy. And then they have this beautiful barn door here. This is a really great look. I like that. Barn door going into your spa type bathroom. So you've got a jetted tub, plus a full shower, beautiful sink, toilet, cabinets, everything you need to be comfortable. We've got blinds here, so if you want the privacy, you can do that. But it's a great place, really convenient if you want to come up here and use this on the weekends, or if you want to come to Tahoe and live full time, or if you want to do what Jim did and just come up here, see if you like it, and then invest in a bigger place. It's up to you. Another great benefit about this adorable little condo is you get a storage closet, because I know if you're thinking, Tahoe Tony, if I'm gonna be in Tahoe, I'm gonna have all my skis, my mountain bike, my paddleboard, everything else. So we've got a little storage closet in here. It's about 3 feet. I think it goes back 8 feet, and it's full height. So you can put a lot of junk in there right now. It's full right now, so I'm not gonna bother to open the door. But if you buy this place, it comes with a storage closet too, so another added benefit. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video of this very affordable, very nicely refurbished condo in Stateline, Lake Tahoe, Nevada. I think it's a great place because so many people can afford to use it and enjoy it, which I really like about it. Back outside, Lake Tahoe is right here in the background. One of the neat things about this house, a really great benefit, is you could sit out here in this rock, get a little charcuterie plate, a little bit of wine, just sit out here and watch the sunset. It's very popular for the people in this complex to do that. So just sit out here on the rocks, watch the sun go down. It's very peaceful. Some great hiking trails leading right out of here. It's awesome. And then the snowstorms up here are beautiful as well. So a great location of the very reasonably priced 2-bedroom condominium. And so if you're thinking about buying in Lake Tahoe, Nevada, reach out to me. I've been selling luxury real estate for over 27 years, and I love doing it. I love helping people find their dream home. $14 million home or $520,000 condo. Whatever works for you, reach out to me. I'll get in touch with you, and I'll guarantee this is the best real estate experience you've ever had.